So I'm just gonna put a little bit of introduction for those of you that don't have time and you feel like you want your digital twin. So when we say digital twin, it's like um you're not gonna be in the video, but your twin is gonna be in the video. Your AI twin is gonna be in the video talking and all of that. I know we've seen a lot of videos like that, but there was this one that was very realistic. That Godswill shared with me, and I was like, wow, this is really it. I have done a lot of them, but some of them are you always see those glitches here and there, but this one is very realistic. So we'll be seeing it shortly. There are still other tools that does that. I know I shared HeyGen with you and some other tools that you can always explore, but this one is a good one. But I'll tell you the disadvantage after I watch the video. So play it for us, Goswell. Okay, thank you.
Wow, someone is fine. Jesus. Don't be
You
vexed. You
can
say
mute
she stand
yourself,
at it.
Goswell. Goswell, if you want to mute yourself, please. Okay, so this is it.
So this is my new multi-million naira studio setup, and as you can see, it is pretty nice. And I spent nothing less than $15,000 to make this space look like this. Well, I'm just kidding. Everything you're seeing right now is AI generated. Even me. The only real thing in this video is my voice, which I recorded with my phone. Let me show you how to do that from the comfort of wherever you are. Now, you don't have an excuse whatsoever for not creating content. Now, first off, go to this website. After that, come to this tab, switch it to Magic Edit. Now upload any picture of your choice. Go to upload image. Then upload any picture you want to use for your AI character. As you can see, this is the image I uploaded. Now just type in a simple prompt right here. After that, just click on modify. Then you wait for the result. As you can see, these are the results right here. Just you can download any one of them. But I like this one better. So just click on confirm. Then you can then turn this picture into a video. All you have to do is go back to UGC Builder, go to custom mode. Then you can, either put text to speech, upload audio file. Now, before you do this, it's going to prompt you to buy a lot of credit, which is going to cost you a lot of money. But I found a way around it to allow you use this AI for free. I've made a detailed tutorial on how to use this AI. Just click the link right here, and you can see the AI tutorial right here. Pass like that. Peace.
Okay. Um,
Oh, this is beautiful.
it is. It is for sure. Let's go back to, okay, let me stop sharing. So anyway, I went to the website and it costs for a monthly plan cost about 40 or something dollars. And it's just, it's expensive. Yeah, it's an expensive one. So I don't know how it wants to get us to use that thing for free, but I don't think it's possible. That might just be like a bit, unless he has another website to show us. But yes, I just want to show you guys that's really cool. If you have the money to pay for these AI tools, sure, go ahead. Julius, you are ready for or you have a question? Which one?
Yes, I wanted to ask what AI tool did he use?
It's called speel.app.
Spill.app.
SP.
SPEEL.
But we can use it for
SPEEL.
free at once, right? God's can we use it for free at once? Like a
Mm,
trial?
I'm I think it gives you a trial, but in the long run you need to subscribe for
I
premium
still have
version.
all right, here we go.
And I also want to ask, you can put your picture, your
Oh
face,
yeah.
right? Yeah, okay.
You put your picture, that's what the video says. Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah. Okay. So that's just one. The next one I will most likely show you guys after we get our presentation in. So go ahead, Julius. Juice. Sorry. Okay, go ahead.
Yes.
Okay, please go ahead.
All right. So today the project is about a small business called Kitchen Aids. essential. So one of the challenges that we have is that customers keep asking questions in terms of how to order, and like customer frustration in this delay in response when they place their order or when they want to ask questions about the items that we sell. And basically availability and all those things. It's called store time, hours, and everything. But this project is about kitchen aids that sells, we deal with kitchen utensils like pots, plates, blenders, anything about the kitchen, we deal with that. And we sell, as I said, we sell pots and plates, but we wanted to fix the issues that we've been having with customers in terms of reducing the time of response when they connect with us and ask us for the items that we have available, and also our store time. And so that's why we're able to build a chatbot that will help us get more details from customers, and they can ask questions at any time and we'll be able to respond immediately. So, and let me see here. We have, I went ahead to build like a website in order to show, like a demo website to show what we have. And this is the website here, Kitchen Aids. This is what we do. We deal with blenders, microwaves, and pots. And in this website, once the customer gets into our website, they can easily go into the chatbot, which is what I created here, and they can ask the questions they want to ask. Just give me one moment. Let me see here. So like this, they go to contacts. Let me see. So different questions. I don't know where I put the question. Just one moment. Let me see it. I have some questions that I noted down here. Do you have, okay, that's fine. That's fine. Just a moment, please. Cursor to get my. Just one moment. Trying to look for my question. Okay, so we expect that the customers, when they get to the website, they're able to chat with us directly for easy to improve the to improve the customer service process, and also get the information to them as quick as possible, and also give them more information concerning the store. So a customer would ask, do you deliver? And the bot will respond to the customer, giving the customer details on where we deliver. So if the customer asks in Lagos, we do deliver in Lagos, and also other parts of Nigeria, stating the price of what the cost is going to be. The customer can also ask, like, what time do we open? And the bot is going to give the customer, oh, why is it not saying that? Just a moment. Okay, that's not the right one. So rather the customer will ask what's the store hours, and the customer will get to respond on what the store hours is. The customer can also ask questions like if we have microwave in stock, and we'll be able to, no, this is not supposed to be. We have microwave, that should be what's, I don't know why this thing is not going well. I get you guys understand the the idea behind it, right?
Yeah, I'm sure we do. Um,
I tested it, but I don't know why it's not giving the accurate information, because I tested everything.
mm-hmm.
It went smoothly, so I don't know why it's.
Okay. Thank you. Do you want to just go over your PowerPoint slide? Let's see the process you went through.
Okay. So for the PowerPoint slide, I just did like a normal PowerPoint slide. And in terms of what I used chatbot to create the chatbot option. And I also used Gemini to get the codes, that's for the website, to create the demo website. So Gemini was able to give me the codes in order for me to use, and also in terms of the colors, so it was able to give me everything that I used for it. And I used Netleafy in order to bring the chatbot to life, because I was having challenges in terms of putting the chatbot on the website, but Netleafy was able to put that in for me for it to come out live like this.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
And ChatGPT was used in terms of creating the business idea in general. Yeah. ChatGPT and Gemini, yeah. So thank you.
All right, thank you very much. Let's go over to questions. And everyone has some sort of question for you.
Yeah.
So, yes, who wants to ask their first question? And let's.
Thank you
Yeah.
for
Hi.
that.
Oh, sorry. Let's just go one after the other. If you want to just use the raise hand function, just raise your
Okay.
hands so that we can go one after the other for questions. Like everyone can just wait to ask you questions, Juice. Look at that. Okay, Uma, go ahead.
Thank you, the presenter, for the wonderful presentations, which actually is impressive. And we have learned more than one or two things. Uh, that's this part. The question I have is regard with the issue of website you said you have created. I just want you to shed a little more informations about that, and which AI tools give you the tool, the codes you use, as you rightly mentioned, and how did you apply the codes to create the website? This is the questions I have.
Okay, so for the website, I use Gemini to create the business website. So I just told you that I want to use, like, I have a class project, and I want to do create a chatbot for a small business that deals with that sells pots, so pots, plates, and everything. But I also want a website to a demo website for the project in order for me to display in class. So what Gemini did was to give me the codes for the website. Let me see if I have I'm trying to find the stuff here. Just give me 1 moment here. I can share that.
Yeah, it'd be good to see how Gemini did that.
Yeah.
Okay. So let me just get Esther's question as well, just in case it's related. Esther, please go ahead.
Hello.
Hey.
Okay. Yeah, sorry. Okay, thank you. That's a beautiful presentation. Now I want to ask, why is it that the pictures he used in the PowerPoints are not realistic, with the way AI is now, the picture of the blenders and the pots you were showing, they are not a realistic one. Can't we make use of a realistic image that will show that, like, this is a blender, this is a pot? That's my number one question. And the second question is, now, is it that you trained your chatbot to answer to some specific questions, like the customers cannot ask any question from their mind except the questions you give to the chat?
Okay, so for the slide, I chose what I wanted. I wanted it to be the way it is rather than being realistic. And so I chose that option myself. And for the chatbot, so the chatbot is basically whatever questions you put in, that's what it's going to generate. But for this presentation, I just chose like a few questions to put in there rather than thinking of different questions or putting anything, because at the end of the day, it's just like it's a demo for a project. It's not like real. It's not real in terms of what you use for a proper business itself, but it's just
Mm-hmm.
something for me to demonstrate in class. Okay, this is how it is, this is how it works and everything. But you can put in any question. So any question you think of, it's all about the question you think of that you put. And one
Okay.
thing with the chatbot is that if a customer asks a question, if there's a question that is not related to what has been put in, you can always go back and either add those questions to it or reframe those questions so that the chatbot is going to be able to answer it. So it's like you are training the chatbot to answer or respond based on what you have. Because if you look at some websites, when you put in a question, sometimes you might not get response and they will direct you to maybe connect to an agent, a live agent, or give you an option of support link. I was actually trying to put that option where you put a phone number, but it was kind of difficult for me to put that. So I just decided to put it based on the question I want. And since it's just a class stuff, but you can actually put different questions that you want the chatbot to respond to.
Okay,
Okay,
is the
so
chatbot free?
Sorry?
Is the use
is
of
it
the
free?
chatbot free? Yeah.
Yes, it's free. It's free. So I had difficulties in terms of publishing and also installing the widget, and that was why I used Netleaf in order for me to bring it up, like for it to go live. So
Okay.
what the chatbot was supposed to do was, after I put in everything, I'm supposed to publish. But I guess because it's free, I'm not too sure if it's because it's free and I'm not paying anything, or if it's my system or something. But I couldn't, after copying the code from the chatbot, like it wasn't working, it wasn't coming up to life. So I had to look for a different AI tool that would bring that to bring it out to life, to make everything look good.
Okay.
And this is Netleaf. I use this app. Oh, I'm not sharing, right? Okay, let me go
No.
back. Let me share so that you guys can see. So this is the app I use. It's when you sign up, you're able to use it. So if you don't sign up, you have just 1 hour for it to go live. But if you sign up, then you can have it on, like, can have it on. So I use this to bring it to life. I just copied the, I think the link and added to the site, and then it came up. And for was it Uma that asked me about the code, right? Hello, can you guys hear
Yes,
me?
it was me who asked you of the code.
We
Yes,
can
we
hear
can.
you.
Okay, so this is what I did here. I used this, and then it gave me step by step for the website. And I just copied and pasted this on a text document, and I was able to input everything. So Gemini gave me all the codes I wanted to use for it. The only code that was different was from the chatbot, and I just imputed it into the index code.
Wonderful.
Yeah.
That was great, actually, and I'm
And
impressed, to be honest.
Thank you very much.
and just to add, great presentation by the way. I also feel like using those pictures for your presentation at first, it shows simplicity. Doesn't have to be complex, doesn't have to be too realistic enough to sell the idea.
I'm sorry, what pictures?
The one someone asked about the pictures you used that you could have used real blenders. Since we're talking about AI, could generate something more realistic.
Oh, okay, for the slide.
Yes, yes, that's what I mean.
Oh, okay, okay.
Okay. So, I guess we're done with our questions. So my question for you is, what is your background? Like doing a website is like out of the question. Are you like, do you have a tech
Yeah.
background? Like, why did you think of a website? People will be
That's
really
true.
scared to go that way.
Like the website seemed like an overkill to some extent. But
Yeah.
So, well, I'm trying to transit into tech, and
Okay.
my background, I've been into sales and customer service, but right now I'm trying to transit into tech. But one thing is that I've always have this flair of like designing, creating, and all this stuff.
Oh, sorry.
So most of the time, I actually like I just play with Canva to do some stuff for my own, like for myself and stuff like that. And with this opportunity, with this AI automation class, and I know one of the class you were like, you want to see the chatbot, you want to see the chatbot. So I'm like, okay, let me just push myself and see. It's all about trying, and let's see if I can do it and everything. So I did it. I'm like, okay, I would like to do a website where this thing can go live rather than just doing the chatbot like that. And I said, okay, let me go ahead to create this thing. Since this AI we're talking about, AI, yeah, do your job. And that was what I did. So I just pushed myself to see what I can do. I guess it's all about pushing yourself and trying it out.
Wow. I'm sure some of us feel very motivated already.
definitely. Hmm.
Okay, so push yourself, and I think I kept saying it. I like, I don't want to go. Don't give me a chat GPT prompt. Don't come here with like, you know, 3 days or 30 days calendars prompt. No, give me something out of the ordinary, blow my mind. And that's exactly what you did. If you had presented last week, maybe you would have gotten one of our awards, but we already shared the award. But this is a really, really brilliant presentation, I must say. I am very impressed. You definitely brought it to the table. And yes, this is great work.
Thank you very
So,
much.
and also it's even a one-man team with a baby crying in the background. I'm not sure if you're the one that had baby crying in the background, but like the one-man team, and it is very impressive.
Thank
But
you.
overall, all our presentation are like, I am amazed how you guys brought some things to the table. I'm like, okay, this is really good. So you don't know how far your mind can really walk when you, except you like put it to test and you just push it like Jill said. So good work. And if there's no other question for you, I'm gonna run fast to just show you guys. I was trying to do the final edit, but I'm not able to get across with it. But I'll just show you how that will look like too. I created a YouTube. I'm not even showing my face. Sorry, I'm not showing my face. So I created a YouTube channel for musical video. I want to be an artist, an AI artist without singing a song. I don't really have the voice. But I want to put my song out there. So what did I do? I'm just gonna walk you guys through a few of the steps. Like if I had prep God's will, it would have done this presentation, but maybe for next time. The first thing I
No problem,
did
ma'am.
was I went to Suno AI, which is a very popular AI tool at this point. Suno AI will give you some sort of song. I'm just gonna show you guys what it is. Let me share my screen now. Um, there's the share screen function. Okay. Okay, so this is Suno AI. You get about 50 free credits in a day. I don't know if we mentioned this during our training, but most likely we did. We have a lot of videos about how to get songs out of this. But one of the things you get to do is go to the crate here and get and put you can put your lyrics or you can upload and record an audio, whichever one you want. You can create a persona, like persona is more like if you have a vocal or anything you wanted to imitate. You can upload or you can use any song that will inspire the new creation. So they were having a Black Friday deal. That's why I have 1,007, um, 1,700 something credits, but you will always get free credits of about 50 in a day. And to produce one song is just 10 credits. So having 5 songs in a day, it's not bad. So, in this case, I used my ChatGPT to get myself some sort of lyrics. Um, so let's see here. I'm just gonna use like a general ChatGPT and just say my prompt is not solid enough. I'm just gonna use a very generic prompt. Give me song lyrics to use for Suno AI. The song should be a love song with some African vibe. Okay, so let's go into the love scene here. Baby, your love be sweet like palm wine. Oh my God.
For
Okay,
real,
now
Jesus.
I can't go past this now. Okay. Uh okay. So this is the song that he gave me. Like the first line is just like already interesting enough. So I'm gonna copy this lyrics. Um and let's just see and put it on Suno. So it does have some sort of Wait. Anyway, it has some limits, but I think we're good. Oh, actually, okay, yes, I'm just making sure my lyrics is in the same place. So you tell it, I'm using a custom mode, but there's a simple one if you just want to describe a song. So if this thing I wrote here, like this prompt, I can just put this prompt in here and just say, give me a love song, right? With an African vibe. And it's going to generate a new song for you that you can upload as your song. Now, before now, Suno, I believe you can share the songs on some platform and it becomes your song, but I think they might want you to have like some sort of subscription, which is about like $8 or something a month. I'm not sure. Um, that you can take advantage of. Okay, so let's copy that our baby love that is like sweet like palm wine song, yeah. So it's custom. I love the first line already. Make me feel high, feel fine, and no lie. Okay. So,
The
now
style.
the style. So I'm gonna go to this ChatGPT and just say, and give me a suitable style for this song to put in Suno. So I'm using Suno AI because the more specific you are to ChatGPT, the more, and we talked about prompts already as our first class and how to write very good prompts, the more the best your result is. I need a result for Suno AI, not for any other thing, right? So oh, for the song. So it gave me this Afrobeat, blah blah blah. So I'm gonna try pasting it. Sometimes the style function here is very limited. Um, so let's see. I guess it took everything, so that's good. Then advanced function, the song title, obviously I want to say, what is my song title here? It did give me a song title.
Babe.
Heartbeats of My Africa. Hmm. Was it gonna say African Queen also? Okay. I'm gonna pause. Yes, so I'm just gonna put this name. It doesn't matter, but I don't like the name yet, so I may tweak the name later on. But I don't want to say African. Actually, it has to be an African queen because and a baby can be a boy and a girl. Okay, so it says girl, you're beautiful, so it's most likely a love song to a girl. I'm not sure why it's assuming the default. It's a girl. Give me a love song. You're already thinking of a love
Why
song
don't
to a girl.
you change the name? My African Heartbeat. African Heartbeat. Oh.
Yeah, I know. I just knew that this name there was something about it that doesn't ring a bell to me. So let's do that. My African habit sounds awesome. Okay, so advanced option. Let's see what it's so it's you can pick if you want like a male voice or a female voice. But obviously, I think I want a male voice at this point because it's a girl. No, do I want a male voice? I'm gonna let it decide. Lyrics mode, Suno writes new lyrics for every generation. No, because I'm providing my lyrics, so it's manual. How weird it is. Turn it up for weird, unexpected results. Like, please, just keep it normal. Okay, then style. Turn it up to match your style description. Yeah, I want it to match my style description. Turn it up a little bit. So you might not get this advanced function from the free version, but like I said, this is not a very expensive tool. Okay. So we've done everything else. I'm just gonna click on create. So most times when you try creating something, it creates two of it. Oops, your tag contain artist name. What?
Yeah, the style. It seems as though it contains an artist's name. Check the style
Oh no.
or a song.
Yeah, yeah, we had Burna Boy, yeah. We don't want that.
Yeah, copyright issues.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, I think this should work. So let's see again. Yeah, because they don't want to duplicate any artist for sure. This will take a few seconds because, yeah. Let me try playing the song. Hopefully it gives us something nice. And I'm curious to know whether you use the girl's voice or a man's voice. Can you all hear the song, first of all?
No, ma'am, can't hear
Oh,
it.
no.
Oh no. I think this happened before, which is really sad. Oh, what do I do now? Because you need to hear the song. No, what am I? Okay, so I'm not sure my setting, but let's see, there's this thing here. Song is up. Okay, let me just try playing. Honestly, we're going to become an artist at this point. So you did not hear the song, correct?
No, we didn't. We
Uh,
didn't.
we couldn't hear the song.
Oh,
Why not try again one more time?
no, it's not gonna work. I think it's a system function. Um, but it's a 3 minute song. It's a really good. I feel like after this, I'm just gonna be doing African beat songs at this point. It is so interesting. It feels like there's like
Ma'am, what
um
about downloading it to send?
I'll send it to the group. But if you guys use my song, it's copyright. But I'm gonna post it in the group right now. Like it's gonna blow your mind away. Like we no longer need the video and all these artists anymore. We need them, sha, but just saying.
Yeah,
Let me download this.
guess what?
What?
Yeah, when I was a kid, I truly wanted to be an artist, and now overnight, I'm just lucky today.
An opportunity for you to fulfill your dreams.
It's really
Yes,
good. It's really.
very soon
I
they'll
heard
start
something
calling my name to
today
Davido.
that Baby Shark, the song Baby Shark was actually AI generated too,
Hmm.
and see how far that went.
Wow. Okay, so let's put it here in this group. How was this? How do I put this? Oh wow, it's gonna be a document, I believe. Okay,
I have
play
a question.
away. Okay, yeah, go ahead.
Can we use this to do, the kids lullaby and all this like
You?
sleep music? We can use it.
Yeah, I already have a lot of kids song here.
Oh,
This is my
oh,
kids songs here. Color Everywhere, Panda Panic Song, Monkey on the Tree.
oh.
Yeah, kids song. I'm gonna share the song with you as well. You can do it to do any music. Just give it the prompt and like I said, it's mind blowing. I'm already an artist like this. I actually have a YouTube page. Let me look it up now. Let me sell my YouTube channel to you guys. Oh, and some of you were asking about my YouTube page in one of the classes when I talked about some of the things I do.
Mm.
Let me see. Let me switch my channel. So this is my kids page that I have kids song. This page grew in less than a month. I just stopped because it's work to be generating song, and I have a regular full-time job. So this is not my full-time job. So I just got really occupied with work. But like just getting 500 is subscribers is what you need to start making money on YouTube. And this is my kids page, like AI generated and stuff like that. Let's see popular video. Video, let's go to video. Popular. What is my highest view? I have like 27K views here, 18K and stuff like that, right? This one is like AI and 33,000. Yeah. Okay, so that's this one. Then I
Whoa.
have another one. Which other one does one? Yes, this one. Like it's just so easy to get the
Um,
subscribers. So this one,
ma'am, could you play one for us to watch?
you might not hear it because I we have a sound. Go out, look at the name, go and find it.
Okay, okay,
Um,
I'll do that right now.
but
It
actually,
looks
you know what? You
colorful.
have a point. Let me do that for you guys. If it works, this should be a song. Let me do the song one. Okay, so that, did you guys hear that or no?
To be
I heard a
honest, you're
bit
too
of it.
much. Come on.
That was
It's
good.
it's kind
Okay.
of shaky, but I did hear it. But
Okay, your network was shaky. Okay, so you guys heard it. That's awesome. I think what just happened here is I realized that when that was playing, there was a sound that was popping up from so maybe that was a sound setting that I might need to do. But it says sounds automatic. Yeah. The sound is working on the browser. Let's check this one out. Yeah, doesn't seem like I have any restriction. Okay, so I was gonna show you one thing you can do with AI. I'm on this channel now. Let's view it. So this is a creation that I just got, someone to just start making videos. When it comes to time, I don't have time. If you live outside Nigeria, you know that time is money. When that thing that says time na money, it's when you live outside Nigeria. If you live in like Africa, when I was in Nigeria, like I had all the time in the world. So in this case, I don't have time. So I got someone to start creating this AI content for me. We just stopped pretty much. But if we had continued, this page will be monetizing itself. It's actually already monetizing itself. You just need to keep getting your views, right? When it gets to 500 subscribers, you're good. It's so easy to get this in like a month or two by just posting like 3 videos every day. We did that. So let me just this one that has the ISV. Let's just play it out. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm gonna stop playing this because this sounds
Awesome. Mm.
this is gonna be a copyright sound. But why is this possible? Because we're posting a short. When you are posting short, you can use anybody's song that is available. So you can go and get a popular song and use it. So we only had the video with no sound, uploaded this video and just added popular sounds to it, and it just kept blowing up. So that's how we did this one. Okay, so today I was going to show you guys. So hopefully, have you guys listened to the what I shared in the group now?
Yes, I was listening to it.
So what's your feedback?
It's nice.
Oh, sounds
Yeah,
nice.
we can just open a studio now,
sounds
right?
nice.
Oh, oh my God.
Yeah, we can literally just start a studio, and I'm actually doing that, so you guys can always take it out. The idea is not for one person. I'm sharing the idea with you guys to take on if you want to. So, however, it's not about getting that sound. It's you can get that sound and put it on, different platforms. But in this case, I want to do a music video, so I used HeyGen to be able to do one music video. Let me see if you guys can hear sound with this. The most difficult thing is the decision to. Did you hear the sound of this one?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
I'm making sure the sound works on this platform. Okay, so this is my musical video that I did. I So I used one of the songs that is here to get that done. Okay, I was just like, how did this reduce? We produced one song. Okay, so I used one of the because it's December right now and everyone's looking for Christmas songs. So I'm gonna be having a lot of Christmas song on um YouTube, Spotify, and so on and so forth. And these songs are your song. You can you no one can drag the song with you. You can actually get some people to use the song and go and fling their account for copyright. It's your song as long as you produce it with Suno um commercial. I believe it's a paid version that can become your song that you can share and monetize, something like that. But before now, you could monetize anything else. So I got one of this my Christmas. Actually, hold on. Maybe I can play this thing from my download if it works. Can you guys hear the song? Hello?
Yeah, we had the sound.
Good. Yeah, I don't I wasn't sure why I didn't think about it. Let's
It's
play the
so
song.
good. I'm actually listening to it right now. It sounds like something that I think will I say Davido or Flavor would sing.
Voila! It's
Yes.
so good. Okay, let me play for those people that couldn't have access to it.
Sorry, I can't hear anything from
Yeah.
Can
Okay,
you
you know what's going to happen?
can
I
anyone
have
hear it?
another phone here with me, so I'll play it straight from here.
Can
Just
we
Oh, so
hang on,
nobody
access
could
it?
please.
hear it.
Wait, hold on, ma'am.
How can we access it?
You mean the song you share on the WhatsApp group?
No, I'm sharing the song right now. Sorry, Godswill. Let me just sorry, hold on, Godswill. So I'm playing this song right now. You guys could not hear the sound, correct? All of you, or just some of you? So you cannot hear the sound, right?
Yes, it's not playing. It's not playing here.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, the sound is okay. Godswill, please share the sound with us. Just play from another phone.
Okay, ma'am. Baby, your love is sweet like palm wine. Make me feel fine. I know that. Yeah. Every time you smile, my heart is blind. Now you be the reason I did the most.
I'm already blushing.
You're over sunrise. Skin like gold, treasure in all the sky.
Okay, thank you so much. It came out at least better than not hearing any sound. It's okay. Thank you, Goswell. Goswell, thank you.
Welcome,
Awesome.
ma'am.
Okay, so let's move to the next step of this. I need to get this class done. The next step is turning this into a music video. I thought about it. I'm just like, maybe I should go and stand in the street and start doing like this and dancing and maybe shoot a video and just put the song there. I don't have that time, literally. I don't. So what I did was I used an AI tool to get a music video for me. Um, then the next step, okay, actually, let's show you how I did that. So It's not the song you heard. This is more of a Christmas song. Um, but just showing you how that's went. So I have an avatar, and I already taught you guys how to get your avatar. Just to go record one. I have an avatar here. I love this avatar so much, and I generate most of my looks from it. I tried doing a new avatar, but it just doesn't look like me that much. I don't know, all my new pictures don't look like me. So yeah, this was a new avatar I tried doing. I already showed you guys how to do an avatar. But in this case, and this you can do for free. You don't have to pay for this particular um application. So for this one, whenever I want a new look, I just come here to create a new look. And you can either create from actually no, sorry. So if I want a new look, I just come down here.
You're not,
Um,
we're
sorry,
seeing
can you
your,
hear me?
yeah, but you're not sharing the page.
I am not. Oh my God. Thank you for drawing my attention to that. Okay. Sorry about that. So I was going to my own page here, and I said I used HeyGen for this particular music video. Um, so I already showed you guys how to create an avatar. So you go to avatar and you want to record an avatar. Yeah. I like to use this one. You can see I already have about 239 looks here. This one only have like 30 looks, which doesn't look like me. So if it doesn't look like me, yeah, it looks like someone else. Yeah, not me really. But these are the some of my pictures I put in here for it to train the AI to be able to produce something like this. Okay, so let's use the one I love so much, which is this one. This one looks like me to a very good extent. So if you want to get a new look, you come here. So in this case, I was doing a Christmas song. So I'm just going to generate a random prompt. So give me a prompt to use for a Gen AI video image. Um, it should be of me, even if I spell wrong, ChatGPT should spell it right. That's his job. It should be of me in a Christmas setting and with Christmas clothes. Okay. So, this is what it gave. So when I copied this and I put it on here, now, Nuno Banana, do I want to use them? No. So I'm gonna use this Flux LR. So Nuno Banana will use, if you do this, you need to have a reference or a base look that you want it to base it off. But in this case, I'm gonna switch over to the other one that is like Flux, whatever it is. And this doesn't need you to have a base look. In this case, you can close up. I don't want it to be close up. I need it to be a full body. Um, Also, you can pick a style. Let's say you want this pixel style, but I want a very realistic style. So in this case, I'm not even going to pick any of this style. I'm just going to leave it the way it is. But when it's realistic, it kind of blurs my background too much. So with all of this done, I'm going to click on next. So it should generate something for me. But I'm not going to wait for this generation. I'm going to show you a similar image that was generated as well with the same prompt. So these are the images that I generated, um, like for Christmas related images. You can see this one. You can see it's of me standing with a Christmas tree and stuff like that. Let's see here. So this one is, you can see this. Oh, actually, this is actually what it gave us now. That was fast. So I told you to give us that Christmas, me wearing a Christmas clothes, and this is what it gave us. Now I can use this. Actually, oh my God, this is so pretty.
Yeah.
Okay, so
Looks realistic.
um, and very realistic too, yes. So now what do I do with this? I want to create a music video. So I go to create here, and I go to, I'll try and use create in AI Studio. To do that, then this agent has a very good way of crashing really quickly. Now, in this case, you're gonna select your avatar here. So I'm gonna select this one. So I'm gonna add another script here. I'm gonna select another avatar. I'll select this one. Gonna add this one again, add another one here, and select a new photo, which was what was created, this one. And one last one, which is, let's see, let's change the avatar to the fourth one, which is this one that was produced. Okay, so now we have our avatar. Now I want to put our lyrics. Now, the only thing about this is when I have a Suno generation, like a Suno song, it's one long song that's can be 1 minute, 2 minutes. But in this case, oops, oh, where am I? If I put that song here, so I can come here and upload my audio, or I can just like record an audio or upload an audio. So I'm going to upload an audio. But I cannot upload a 2 minute audio. Actually, let's try and see if we can actually. So you can upload an audio from your computer. Let's upload this one. So it's uploading. Okay. Hopefully, I'm going to close out of this and it uploads. Maybe not. But what I want to do is you can have a script here or an audio. Because I have a song, I'm going to have an audio here. So I already have audios I've already uploaded. I'm going to use that one to be faster a little bit. So I have, there's a music magic 2 add. So voice mirroring, it's more like I don't, if I already have an audio, I don't want to mirror the voice. I just need only my audio, so I'm just not going to check that. So I'm going to put another audio here too. Wait, oops, it's 4? No, 3. I need 3. Okay, yes, I already said it. So agent will normally crash on me, which is very strange. And yeah, it keeps doing that. I don't think it's about me. I think it's just the application and how it works. So, but that's how you upload your audio. I'm gonna maybe just do 2 and just let me do this one. So how did I split my audio? So I used CapCut to split my audio and just saved it individually, just in case you want to know how to split your audio. Okay. So I'm gonna remove this. This is nice though. Everything is nice at this point. I'm gonna remove it by clicking on delete scene. I'm gonna remove this as well. I'm gonna delete the scene. So now let's just generate this too as a song. So you can just add multiple scenes this way. I'm gonna name this Christmas song. Then Let's see here. Where is my then generator at the top here? Okay, so this is how to get the song rolling and submit. So it's going to do its thing. Oh, is it ready? What was that congratulations for? But before it's doing that, I'm going to show you one I already generated, which is this one. So let's play it out for you guys.
Snowflakes falling soft and bright. Morning glows with silver light. Children laughing by the tree. Christmas magic calling. Candles flicker. Hearts are warm. Peace and love in every home. Oh, Christmas morning magic shining every stories wrapped in laughter. Oh, this moment can let your heart believe. Christmas morning magic.
Okay. Hopefully you guys had that one. So this was putting different scenes together, and that's what I got. This is what we just produced. Now let's listen to it. Did you guys hear it? Just to be sure that I have people in the background that you heard the sound.
Yes,
Yes, we did.
Okay, awesome. So let's do this one. Okay, so in this case, I did not change the resolution, the image file to, so you want to use like a YouTube 16:9. But it's okay, let's play this.
Snowflakes falling soft and bright. Morning glows with silver light. Children laughing by the tree. Christmas magic calling.
Okay, yeah. So that is it. Like
Wow.
literally, I am a superstar. You guys are gonna be seeing me everywhere very soon.
Yes, you are. Yes,
So make sure you
you
guys start
are.
creating your superstar avatar videos, music videos. Let's become the musicians of today and tomorrow. Okay, so questions and let's hear it. Jules, go ahead.
Yes. Well, my question is, I guess I know where I'm at fault now because I tried to the news updates that I posted on the group. I tried to use my picture for it, but I guess it was giving me something different. It was
Okay.
something different, so I didn't use my picture for it. Like I was expecting it to maybe change the way I look. I'm sorry about the noise, my daughter is. I was expecting it to change the way I look in terms of maybe making it more professional, but it was giving me something different. But I think I know where my fault is.
So where do you think your fault was?
Well, I just said use this picture, though I generated the news and I'm like, okay, use this picture for the news rather than maybe adding more prompts on how I want the picture to look.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's good, you know. Okay. So yes, the more prompt you have, you need to be very explicit. Don't assume it's gonna guess for you. Yeah. But yes, that's good feedback. And we're glad you were able to let out of it. Okay. Uma, go ahead.
uh, for these good initiatives, and I will actually learn a lot. My question goes to this very app you used, the very last one for video generation, that is HeyGen. The question is this the app, is this free app? That's one. Secondly, should in case if someone want a multiple singers or rather artists, different people with the background and a kind of song that involves a real beat, that kind of multiple like rap, something like that. Will the agent be able to generate that kind of dancing that involves high energy than something like that? That's the kind of question I have. Thank you.
So your second question was the high beats. Is that what you said or what? What was the question again? Sorry.
Yes, that's the question I have. It is only slow types of
Obviously,
songs.
no. It's what you put in inside that it gives you.
Okay, okay. And is the app free app?
That's a very good question. Which one? Agent is there's a free there's a free agent. I think is it 3 in a day or 3 in a month? 3 videos in a month, something like that. If you're using the free version, or yes, there's a free
That's
trial version that you can use with agent.
right. Thank you.
But I am going to switch out of my current paid version in Suno and go into another type of Suno, like an unpaid version, and see um if I am able to. Yes, Suno is also free as well. I already said it's free, so you can get your reuse in there. Sorry, your songs out of it.
I did
Um,
notice some I did notice something with HeyGen. At some point it made some errors because of so many images he had to generate. So there's a question he asked that it seems like he forgot. As regards if you can put one or like more persons in the video, I feel the way HeyGen is structured is best when it's just one. I don't think the AI algorithm can support more than one person comfortably. The complexity would be too much for the system to comprehend and give you some errors.
that's a good point. If you want to generate more than one, let me start sharing again. If you want to generate more than one avatar, give me one sec. Let me share my screen again. I can't even find you guys Zoom. Did I close the Zoom? Hello, can you guys hear me?
Yes, we can hear you.
Yes,
Okay. Um, my screen is so dark that. Okay. Maybe I can just take Julie's question as well while I answer this one. Julie, what's your question?
Yes, I wanted to ask, is this the same app that you use for your kids channel?
That's a very good question. So depends on so for my kids channel, I used more on Canva. It's not even Canva AI. I got a song, I used Canva for it. Okay. Um, where is that channel now? Okay. This is, oh, actually, yes. So I use Canva to pull this together and just pull the song. Um, then for some part of it, I generated images. So I generated images with ChatGPT, a lot of images. So if I come here, let's look at this African song. For the African song above, give me different prompts to generate images for different scenes. Should understand. Okay, so now this is different scene. Uh, yeah, so I just I used like an image generation tool. There's a lot of them. So let me put this prompt here and just generate an image. Oh no. So let me put a prompt here. Give me an image using, and you can use like using, this is if I'm not trying to use my face, right? Using this prompt. Okay, so I'm gonna stop sharing because I want to go to Canva, but I have a lot on my Canva page. Let me share my Canva with you. And I'm actually gonna go to one of the files. It's a long time ago, but I'm gonna try and find it so you can see the structure of the different design. But I just generated a lot of photos that I just start stacking, in Canva and just put the songs down below, and it's the photos reflect the song. So when I'm talking about brushing your teeth, it's something that talks about brushing your teeth. Now, some of those photos I took them to at the point when we had a lot of video generation, free video generation platform. Actually, we still do. Okay. And I just turned it into something like a video. So, well, I feel like I was going to answer a question first before this one. What was it? If you guys want to remind me. On if you can use multiple face for HeyGen, right? Was that what I was trying to answer? Hello, do we have anybody here?
Yeah, we do. I can hear you.
Yes,
Yes.
boss.
Yes, boss. Yes.
Okay, let's see. Okay, I think I have a video here. I can show you guys. I'm not sharing my screen again, I know. I am just trying to look for it. Um, design. Okay, that's gonna take me a while to find, obviously. But let's go back to, I'm gonna start sharing again. So I try to avoid a lot of paid tool because if you want to pay with AI, it's all about paying and paying and paying. That's one of the things you observe. No matter how beautiful you want to your creation to look like, it's gonna be requiring you to pay money. But the results will come out really good. So let's share screen again. Okay, so now this is the image it gave us. So I download this. So this is an example, right? Um, so you can use different images. So if I come here, I can, let me see if I can add, this is from this avatar. Let's replace this. So I can actually just create a new avatar from a photo, upload the photo. Yeah. So you can use different pictures. So you don't have to use one. Let's see if it works. because this is not a very clear photo though. But sometimes it requires to have more than one. So let's try uploading. I'm gonna go back to my avatar, but yeah, so to answer your question, you can have, different avatars. Let's see all. What did I get? So create an identity, customize. I think I might be out of my avatar space. Let's see. Photo to video. So it makes this into a video. Oh yeah, okay. This is using some sort of credits. I'm not gonna use it. But yes, you can. I'm just trying to see add more avatar here, but it's just not letting me. But this is different avatar. This is the baby face. This is AI queen face. These are different faces, right? So just put a picture and it can produce scene. But another thing is you can just get trying to look for a better way to do this though. But the answer is yes. Just so I don't beat around the bush.
Okay.
Okay. So, I was hoping to get my kids like an example of one of the things I've done in the past, just a long time ago. This is my Canva. Yeah, I'm just trying to search my Canva for you. I think it's going to be really good to just show you at least some sort of example. Oh, this is 9 months ago. Should be around here. Okay.
You have a podcast?
I do as well, yeah. So this is the video you just watched. This is how I made it. So let me open this for you. Okay. So this is the creation. So that video you just watched, you guys. So you see that this is a 4-second video. I used a free tool and just convert it to something that moves. At that time I was using Clean AI. They used to have a lot of credits. Well, let me see. I think they should still have like free credit, just that turns the image to emotion. So let's see. So this is image. So text to image. Let's see. How do you want me to sign in? Like literally? Like all of them, they want you to sign in. So give me a sec. Let me actually just sign in with any of my Google accounts here. It's going to be a really good one for you guys to know. Let's use this account. Okay, I'll share again. Okay, so I just signed in here. At that time, I'm sure, hopefully they still have like some sort of free credits, but there's a lot of, image to video with some free credit that you can also always explore. Um, The interfacing used to look like this, but let me try and see if I can navigate around this one. So image to video. Then I don't want to add a start frame though. So one output 5 seconds. So let's try using something. Okay, with native audio. Let's 50. Jeez. This is optional, so I'm just gonna generate. Let's see if it works. Okay, so you can see it's gonna turn this into a motion, and that's what I used. So I just got photos of this. I just used the same way I used the prompt just now, and it gave me an image, different image based on the scene of the song. This is the song here. This is just one long song I put on Canva. Then for different scene, I use the motion and just images. So I add a mix of it, depending on the scene. So I put this, put this. Now this one, then I had also a mix of um some of the videos that Canva has. So let's say this part of the song was talking about, brushing your teeth and drinking water. I just went in here and just talked about kids drinking water. Like, so I use stock footage pretty much. Uh, where am I? I'm in templates. Let's see, elements. Drinking. So just kind of put different things. So you can see this kid drinking water, right? So I just added some of these
Yeah.
different just to fill up the space, right? Because with my generation, they only could generate a certain video for me, a certain okay, so so you can see this one, this person is moving. Hopefully you can see it. So this is a 5 second video.
Yeah, we
So
can.
when I put this in my African song clip, you can see it's gonna make a lot of sense. So yes, this is an example of a free image to motion tool that you can use. Okay. All right. So I need to call it a day. I think we've been through a lot of training already. But yeah, my goodness. I was hoping I was going to explore that African beat, but I guess not. I don't want to do this. Let me go to was it my project? Yes, this one. I'm going to try using this one. I'm going to edit this slowly. Oh my goodness, my battery is about to die. So what I want to do is I want to just use one avatar. Delete audio and just put one or put that particular audio, this one. Then let's see. I'm gonna change this thing here. Let's see. Change this avatar to something better. Let's see. Let's try this one. This one has a good side look and side eyes. Okay. I'll just generate with one. So this motion engine, this avatar one for, I believe you only get it when it's paid, but this has realistic movement. You know what? Let's try using it. I don't know if I know it has limited. Let's generate. And this will go once it is over your avatar limit. Choose how to keep creating. So you can switch to this one, full body and adapt it to the script. Buy credits, continue. Let's see. Yeah, wanted to buy credits. So I'm gonna just use this one that follows the lip sync only. Submit. Yeah. Okay, I will show you guys when this thing is ready, but before then, let's go over. Stop recording. So the first award is the Flowealth Visionary AI Visionary Excellence Award. And this award, we talked about it last week. It's more on someone that is going far and beyond in creating the mind-blowing AI automations or projects or whatever it is. And the winner of that award is Abigail Aruna. Yay! You can use an emoji to like celebrate with them. So Abigail won that award. Abigail was the person that gave us I believe it was a video with HeyGen that she did, where the agent was talking and it was showing a lot of automated text. It was like a complete video. That project was it was very complete, I would say, because it could literally just be in the market and ready to go online. And it's definitely, if you have to do that manually, it took a lot of time, but she was able to generate that in a few minutes, and that was very innovative. Then we have the next award. It's for the Flowealth Impact Ambassador Award. And this person did an exceptional job by inviting a lot of people to our next class. So our next class is coming up December 15th. And when we checked, so there's a part of the form that you have to fill that says who invited you. I saw a lot of your names there. However, this person had more than was it like up to 5+ people that they invited that had their names on it. And it was more like they were the evangelist of the class. They were spreading the news. I'm sure that sometimes when you send things to people, not everyone will really want to register, but he or she was able to get a lot of our network to register for that next class. So there's still an opportunity. So make sure you please share the link. And it's just the flowealthacademy.com. They can go to the website. In the front of the website, there's a place to register there. So you can please get your network. But the winner of that award, which is the Flowealth Impact Ambassador Award, is Oluwafunke Blessing O. So you can put some emojis and
Thank
celebrate
you.
with her.
Thank you.
So congratulations.
Thank you.
Blessing. Wow, you did an amazing job spreading the news. Yeah. So you'll be getting your certificates. Actually, maybe, yeah, you'll be getting your certificates. We already have it in an email ready for you to go. So when you get that, we're hoping that you share that in your LinkedIn. If you guys don't have a LinkedIn yet, go and open one. You need a LinkedIn profile. When you have a LinkedIn, tag us, tag me, Flowealth Nikoro, and tag Flowealth Academy, and we will want to celebrate with you. But we want you to tag us first before we start sharing your certificate. So please do that. Same with your graduation certificate. So please have that uploaded on your LinkedIn and let's be part of your celebration having finished this amazing AI course. So the other certificates or the certificate of recognition, we're going to be recognizing someone also for Flowealth Leadership and Engagement Distinction Award. So this recognition goes to someone that was always there to take leadership roles, was always there to engage in a very unique way, beyond messaging, beyond speaking, beyond, they showed true leadership during the course of the program. And the award goes to our no other than Umar Moody Ahmed. So you guys can celebrate with him. Umar is here, like we can all speak to it. Umar is definitely amazing in
Thank you.
terms of speaking out, being out there, engaging. Yes, we love it. Congratulations to you, Umar. Then we have the next award. Okay, let's just be sure I'm not missing you guys. So let's see here. Um, so this award goes to one of our most active students. It's the most active student award. This person was always there in most of our classes. They partook in all of the assignments. They were on time with every assignment. That's one of the things about being a student. You need to be on time and not submit your assignment late. And they stood out as a student too. Very brilliant assignments. Um, yes. So this award goes to no other than Caroline Oluwamodupe Akonde. So congratulations, Caroline. I think you go by, what do you go by? Do we have Caroline
Thank
here?
you, ma. Yes, Dominion.
Dominion! You're definitely
Thank you, ma.
dominated everywhere.
Thank you, ma.
Yeah, we really appreciate having you in the class, Dominion. We're actually
Thank you,
looking for
ma.
a name. We're like, we know this person is the person for this award, but we cannot find the name. But like we said, we're all winners for sure. Okay, so congratulations to you then. This is for the first batch of our students. Then for Group B, the first award is where it's like, it's so funny that it's well. Anyway, the first award is the Flowealth AI Visionary Excellence Award. I already explained what this award is. Um, it's for someone that took the AI project to the next level, and that is also in Group B, right? So, this award goes to no other person than Juliet Azing. So do we
Thank
have
you
Juliet
very
Azing
much.
here?
Yes, I'm here. Thank
Okay.
you.
Anyway, I was already threatening you that no, this cannot happen. You're too late. But yes, it's such a wonderful, mind-blowing project. So Juliet Azing is the person that presented today. I would not take it from her. She has one of the most innovative projects. Creating a website to doing a chatbot, that is definitely beyond the ordinary. So congratulations to you, Juliet. We really appreciate the work that you did with that project. So the next award that we will be presenting um goes to the most active student award. Um this person was there in the chat all the time. They were both in the group chats, in the classes, and they did present last week as well. So the award goes to, I mean, I'm going to be careful with the name. It's Adaitan Fadekemi. So congratulations to Fade Kemi. I'm not sure she's here today. But yes. Then we have the next award, which is the our other leadership and engagement award. And that's the award for someone that has been an exceptional leader in their group, in their team, just taking the step to be out there. And that award goes to um Abdul Yazid. So Yazid, congratulations to you. I think he was in the initial part of this class, but he has gone. But just we'll be sending him a certificate for sure. So congratulations to Yazid. Now the last award that we'll be talking about is the Flowealth Visionary, no, the Flowealth, let's see here. Trying to get the name of the award so I don't call the wrong name. Yeah, the Flowealth Impact Ambassador Award. So that award goes to, so we're looking at, like I said, we're looking at responses and how much you guys have been spreading the word about the classes that we do. And we got a few other names, and that award goes to Ngozi Owonkwo. That's nice. So congratulations to
Okonkwo.
Okonkwo. Good, thank you. So congratulations to Ngozi. So yes, that's it. Thank you, everyone. And congratulations to everyone. And congratulations to you, even if you don't have any, special award, like you're still very amazing. So, I am going to be getting you guys to go about your business pretty soon. Just lastly, if you have any comments, let me just hear it. Do you have comments? Um, do you guys want to make a speech before we go? For those that won an award, do you have any words to say?
Mr. Uma.
No. Don't put Uma on the spot. So
Thank
actually,
you so much for the award.
yes. Okay, go ahead, Blessing. Let's
All
hear your
right. Thank you
speech.
so much for the award. I learned so much and I anticipate to still benefit a lot by trying my hands on all that we've learned. And I also wanted to ask, is the link still valid for more people to still join? You still have
It,
more? Yeah.
it is valid until the 14th. Yes.
Oh, good. All right. Thank you so much.
She's gonna be doing more evangelical work. There you go, Blessing.
Absolutely.
She's really good.
Yeah. And so I sent I made a mistake. I wanted to put my blessing on my certificate. I sent you a direct message. Can I get another link to download and edit my name? Is it possible?
Fortunately, no.
No. Okay.
But what name did you put there though?
Yeah, my first name and last name, but I wanted to put blessing in the middle, right?
Oh no, there's no middle parts.
Oh
Yeah.
yeah, that's what I okay.
Okay,
Okay.
no, there's no middle parts, which I think
Wow.
Uma drew our attention to it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Mm, yeah, there's no middle parts. But one of the things no, that's gonna be more work for us. I wanted to say that we could do the certificate for you, but that's require
A
some
lot
admin
of
work.
work. Okay.
It's okay. I won't I will volunteer for that.
Yeah, thank you.
But yes, no worries.
Thank you.
So, Juliet, let's hear your speech.
Well, I just want to say thank you for this great opportunity. When I started, I was not sure what I was expecting, but I'm glad I was able to join. And you were very detailed in your information and all that you taught us. And you based on what you've taught us so far, you keep giving us that inspiration to keep pushing and keep doing more. So I want to say thank you for everything and for the award. Thank you.
Thank you.
I have a question though. So
Yeah.
I just submitted the assignment, but it's saying pending, so I can't claim the certificate now.
Okay, let me do that for you now because I've had this class. We have to close that certificate portal.
Okay.
Okay. Are you NJ? NG? So I only see an NG file, and I think NG is Juliet, I believe. Am I on mute? Sorry, Juliet, can you hear me? Or yeah,
I
Juliet,
can
that's
hear
your
you.
name. Are you NG? I see an
Yes,
NG. Is that you?
yes, I'm NG too.
Okay.
That's fine.
Okay. Okay. Okay, so I just cleared that out for you, so you should be able to get to the next page now.
Okay.
All right, so Dominion, let's get another speech from you. And Dominion, how old are you
Yes,
again? Like I was telling someone, I was like, it's so really amazing to have you in my class. It's a rare privilege.
I'm 61.
Oh my goodness. So let's get your speech.
I want to use this opportunity to say thank you. Thank you for the opportunity. Thank you for the knowledge impacted. We believe will bring many people to join a Flowealth Academy to learn. We've learned a lot and we'll be able to give back to the academy. Thank you very much, ma.
Thank you so much. Awesome. Okay, who are we missing? Who have not said their speech? Uma has said is um let's see. Tulsi, let's get a speech from you. Oh, actually, Tulsi already sent a video, but that's okay. But if you want to give us a speech as well. Tulsi, are you there?
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay. Yeah, so I just wanted to say thank you so much for this opportunity. It really enlightened me. For someone that's really fascinated in evolving with evolution and tech, I learned a lot, especially from today's class and previous classes. And definitely I'll be doing a lot with all that I've learned. And of course I'll be tagging Float Academy to everything that I've learned and we'll be posting online. So yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Tosin is definitely another, I'll call it evangelist. And she did a very
Okay.
wonderful video for us, talking about our experiences. And please, I'm expecting those videos. That's actually part of one of your assignments. So please get those videos across. Let's put you out there. Let's talk about your wonderful experience. Now we have Lola. Lola, you are our doctor, right? Lola, are you there or you're in a meeting today? Because you're always in a meeting now like this.
I'm truly in a meeting. I'm
Oh
always
my God. Okay.
yeah.
Can you take some time to give us some speech?
Thank you for the opportunity. Um, Dominion and myself are friends, and
Really? Cool.
we used to work together in the same place. And I'm happy that she got something out of this. Uh, I had been interested in AI because I've been trying to put up a faceless YouTube channel. So
Mm,
I've added more to my skill and I've even posted and I've been Flowealth ambassador, even silently. And I'm going to make
totally.
sure that those I've been talking to about AI will surely join the group. Thank you for the opportunity.
Thank you so much. Yes, Lola, I know I saw your name. You're also one of our very active evangelists and ambassador. We appreciate your work and your contribution. And yes. Thank you so much. I see a lot of your posts on our Facebook platform as well. Really amazing. So thank you. So I'm just gonna give the table to Divine if you want to say anything, and Kazim. Do we have Divine or Kazim? Okay, Divine, go ahead.
Okay, good evening. Good evening, ma. Good evening, guys. I really want to. Hello?
We can hear you. Go
Am
ahead,
I being
Divine.
heard?
You are.
Because
We can hear you.
my network at this end is really bad, kind of.
Yeah, we can hear you.
Okay. I really learned much, though at some point, because when I had to change my location, so most times I just go through the recording. Reasons why I've not really been active on the classes, but I really took a lot. So I really appreciate these things are stuff we have to get paid, but you made it possible for us to just get it free, but it's not free in the sense that we still have to put more work to develop ourselves. So thank you for giving us that opportunity to explore. I appreciate ma.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Divine.
Okay,
I know I see your name
thank you.
once in a while. Um, but yes, it's valid. Like network problems and stuff like that can also be an hindrance. But yes,
Yeah,
thank you.
yes, really.
Just talking about network, did we get kicked out of this meeting now? Okay. So Kazim, do you have anything for us, Shay? A little speech. Let's hear what you've any experience, any feedback. And if you're in a noisy place, that's okay.
Good evening, ma.
Hi, good evening.
In fact, you've really impacted us with a lot of knowledge, but it's a pity. I have been hospitalized for the past 2 weeks. I'm just getting on my feet. So I
Oh
don't
my
just
God,
really know
so
what
sorry
is
about
all
that.
the. Even I thought this training has ended. I just tried to log in. I was even trying to
Oh,
private you just to know more about it. I thought it has ended because the last time I joined was when we were to pick group. So I was in group 2 then. So
hmm.
so I've been hospitalized since then. I'm just getting on my feet. So maybe ma, anything you think you can do for me, please, please, please,
So maybe you
please, ma.
can join the next class. You can
Okay,
just go on the website and join the next class.
okay, ma. Okay,
Yeah.
ma.
Really sorry about that. I hope you're feeling better though.
Yes, ma.
Yeah,
Yes,
thank
ma.
God.
All right,
Yeah,
ma.
I know that there's a lot of factors that made a lot of people not join the classes. That's how we had an option for you to do some recordings and go over those recordings too. So please, if you want to also explore that option.
All right, now, do I go into the website and listen to the recordings there, or can you?
Yes, you can. If you already have access to it, yes, that's the route to go.
Okay, I think I have access to, but it's
Yeah, so
like it's a different recording. Is it this Google Meet recording, ma?
so it's the class recording, yes.
All right, ma. All right, ma. So thank you
Okay.
very much, ma. In fact, I'm surprised because all this training we do, they are paid classes. You have to pay for this, pay for that. So I don't know, I don't even expect that somebody like you can offer a free class like this. Thank you very much. God will reward you in his infinite mercy. Thank you very much.
Amen. Honestly, like this class is definitely supposed to be paid, but yes. Um, it's part of us giving back, and we're hoping that you guys will be able to give back as well in any capacity that you can. We
We
still have
will, we
good
will.
people out there. Because it's not all about money, right? Like you guys need this knowledge to move your life forward, so why just hide it?
Even the one my blood sister did for me, I paid. My blood sister.
Is it my blood sister?
Yes, ma. I paid. Ah,
And what was the training? Was that like AI training as well?
digital marketing.
And how much did you pay for that one?
We were, I didn't want her to pay, but we have to pay for certificates. We have to pay for this and that. So she now said, she now said the next one will be 20,000 naira. I thought she would link me, and she didn't give me the link. She just left me in the general group. So if you want to join the link, you have to pay 20,000 naira. She even added me to a group. So I will be discussing with the group members, and I have to play along with what the group members did. So this is not a matter of family stuff. If you can't play along with your group, then you are out of the game.
Yeah, yeah. So she was not doing family at all. There's no, whether it's
Ah,
your blood
no,
sister.
no family.
Okay. Yes. But it's oh, Divine, you have a question?
Yes, ma.
Okay, please go ahead.
Okay, I want to know if your door will be open for us that would go through the other previous classes because I think I've not gone through one yet. So
Mm-hmm.
if we could be able to ask you questions
So you can ask me question in
later.
class, yes.
Are you there, ma?
Oh,
Okay,
sorry,
no,
am I on mute?
I mean, I'm hearing you, ma.
No, you're not,
Okay.
ma'am.
Like the classes is, hello?
Yes, go ahead.
Okay, what I meant was that, right, the classes is done, like this our badge is done for today. Like
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
we are closing, this our badge is done for today, right?
Mm-hmm.
So I want to know if us that are trying to catch up, if we have difficulties, can we be able, is your door or your DM open for us to ask questions? Or
I will say yes, but not my DM. Ask questions in the group because I know a
okay,
lot of us have the knowledge. Just in case I don't get to reply you directly, we have a really good, like everyone here is in a group, right? So they will have answers for you. I am
yes,
too
ma'am.
sure you get more than one person
Okay,
answering
on
your
the
question.
WhatsApp
So
group.
yes, ask your question in the WhatsApp group or ask your question in the face, most likely WhatsApp group if you want immediate response, or the Facebook group as well. Our
Okay.
private Facebook group, yes. So we
Oh,
have
oh,
admins in both platforms that will be able to get your questions really quickly.
okay, ma.
When is the
Thank you very much, ma.
next
I
batch
mean,
starting?
December 15th.
Okay, ma.
And
So you
so I think I mentioned earlier in the class that the next class is going to, so we're not going to be using this platform again because the current platform that you guys have, if you can watch the video before then, do it. Um, so the
okay?
platform we're going to, our subscription ends December 15th. It's just too expensive to carry
Okay,
on. Um,
okay,
but we're going to be using a community page called School, SKOOL. Anyway, if you sign up right now before the 15th, you will get that information. But we're just putting that community page together as well. So that's where our recording is going to be. However, it's not going to be a free community page. You need to pay about $5 to be able to get into it, into the community page. So yeah,
okay. So whatever we want to list. So what the certificates, ma?
you can only get your certificate right now, and that's if you've done classes.
Okay, ma. So can you still give us a week grace, ma, for us to listen to the live classes?
You have until the
And
15th for the live classes.
okay, ma. What of the after the assignment? Will there still be certificates, ma, after the assignment? After submitting the
Fortunately,
assignment.
no. If you don't grab your certificate today, there'll be no certificates.
Okay. And what qualifies us for the certificate, ma.
Do all
Assignment,
your
ma.
assignments and the recordings, yes. And listen to the recordings, yes.
Ah, ma, please, ma, what can you do for us, ma?
Just join the next
Please.
class. And you get a
Uh,
certificate from the next class.
okay, okay, okay.
Okay,
Thank you.
Juliet, go ahead. Jules? Julies?
Sorry, I
Okay.
was muted. I was talking, but I was muted.
Okay, go ahead.
I wanted to ask about the videos that if we can still have access to it, but I guess you said from now to the 14th.
Yes.
Okay. And another thing, the next meeting, when are we having it?
So when you mean next meeting, are we talking about our volunteer leadership meeting or
Yes.
okay,
Yes.
we're having it after this meeting actually.
Okay.
If you can spare some time.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Yeah. All right. So I tried that African song. I am too excited about it. I said I want to play it for you guys, so that's why I'm sharing my screen. But I think this platform is working, so you guys could hear the sound from this platform. Let me play it here. But I could only use one avatar for this because I didn't have time to start putting different avatars.
Can you hear this sound?
Still can hear it.
You can hear the sound?
No.
Oh my God, not again. But you could hear that.
Can you go to advanced? You go to and share or computer audio. That's on Zoom. There should be something like advanced
So let me see.
and share computer audio.
So, oh yes. Oh yeah, that thing is off. Share computer sound, you see? Who was that? Our techie here.
Blessing.
Uh,
Mhm.
oh, blessing. Thank you.
Welcome.
So that was a problem. I was just like, okay, that was is a Zoom problem. I did mono, but let me try if it works. Yeah. Can you guys hear it now or no?
Yes.
Yeah, we can hear it.
Awesome. Okay, let's listen to this.
Baby, your love be sweet like palm wine. Make me feel high, feel fine. I know like, yeah. Every time you smile, my heart they fly. Now you be the reason I did think most time. Yeah. Girl, your beauty glow by sunrise. Skin like gold, treasure with no disguise.
Okay, yeah. So I only used one avatar, like I said, for this, but I really love the song. I don't know what that voice sounds like. It sounds like is he Omale or it sounds like um
Yes,
yeah.
Omale, that's the right pick.
Yeah, it sounds like this very our new Gen Z's rappers. Okay, go ahead, Juliet.
So I wanted to ask, like, what's your artist name on
Oh, it's
it, like
actually
your artist so that we
Flowealth.
can. Okay.
It's Flowealth. My artist name is Flowealth.
Flowealth is blowing very soon.
Literally. I was thinking about a name. I was like, you know what? Let's just keep his Flowealth at this point. Um, so if you go to Spotify, I don't have a login yet, but let me see if I can browse like every other person. Mm. Okay, so this is one of my songs. You can see Flowealth. Let's see what I'm looking for. Oh, let's see. Okay, this is the artist, Flowealth. I need to do some. So this was when I had like this was even a year ago I uploaded this. But I have a lot of like singles and EPs and stuff. If I start marketing my song, I might not even be in this class like this. I will be in a stage. But yes, the new song I have coming has not been uploaded yet. It will upload soon. Yeah, but yes, that's my artist name. All right, thank you everyone. It's really a privilege to be part of all of you guys' journey in life. I am really privileged to be part of your story. And not just any story, your success story. And I talked about when we started this class and said, by this time next year, we're going to be having a conference that you will all be invited to. And the goal is we want to create this very big community that can see the future, share the future together, and not just be left behind. And AI is one of the ways that we communicate that because AI is the future, pretty much, is now and still the future. So we want to make sure we get um ahead of things pretty much because it helps our career, it helps us make money, it helps us have a better life overall, as we keep using these skills. So thank you everyone for your participation, and I don't take it for granted. I am really excited to be part of your journey. So I'm going to call it a day. Thank you so much. And for those of you that are part of the leadership team, you can stay behind. If you volunteered in some sort of role or the other, please stay behind. I was hoping to get into another Zoom, but it's okay. We can use this one. All right. Thanks to every other person that is not on our volunteer community. Thank you. And have a good rest of your evening and or day. Bye. Okay. So I'm gonna switch over to this is our first. Actually, I'm going to end this call and come back again because I want it to be a different recording. I don't want to mix up the recording together. So I'm going to end this call. If you're part of the volunteer, join the call again. Thank you. Okay, bye.